Just look at me now. Sunset is gold. Look at me now. Free, so look at me.
Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and my looks are something that you want to see, I promise. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to get into this Valentine's easy makeup look tutorial, all of it. We're going to be using the Blood Sugar palette today. So y'all already know I love to go in with my Jeffree Star Concealer as a base for my eyeshadows. I think it holds the eyeshadow perfectly and it makes the eyeshadows stand out a lot. And here I'm just taking glucose to set my lid. Honestly, y'all know I love this white eyeshadow because it's so white. I haven't found a true white unlike this one, and it's gorgeous. By the way, you guys, I'm sick. I know I sound like crap, I sound like poop, I feel like poop, but the work don't stop. I'm still here, I'm still putting out videos, still editing, still recording. Yeah, nothing's gonna change. Just my voice, obviously. I sound like poop. So here I'm just taking Fresh Meat. I'm just gonna be putting that all in the crease and blending it out. And here I'm taking the shade Prick, which honestly, you guys, the reds in this palette, I feel like they look so similar that it's very hard to distinguish your transitions. And I love for my transitions to actually have contrast in between them, and these look very similar. That's why I made that face. Yeah, they look very, very similar. So just keep that in mind whenever you go and check out this palette or look at it, because it is a gorgeous palette. The shades still blend so beautiful, but yeah, the shades are very similar. So up to you.
Will you still be here? So it's not gonna be really hard. We're gonna have to work at this every day, but I want to do that because I want you. I want all of you forever. What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be?
So since those shades for me were very, very similar, I'm going in with Cavity, which is more of a pinky shade and not so red. I feel like Fresh Meat and Prick look, like I said, way too similar for there to be a transition in between them. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So yeah, here I'm just taking Cavity and using that to further blend out, further transition out, and try to make the eye look come together.
What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you
So if y'all have been watching my videos, one, I want to say thank you so much. I really do appreciate everyone that watches my videos. But yeah, y'all already know this is my favorite new trick to cut the crease. If you haven't tried it, y'all make sure to try it out because it works so bomb. I also want to mention I have hooded lids, you guys, so this trick helps me out so much, and it helps me find the perfect crease where basically my crease is supposed to be. So if y'all have hooded eyelids, make sure to try it out and let me know how it works out for you. And if you want a more in-depth video on how I work on my hooded eyelids, let me know in the comments. So here I'm just taking the Jeffree Star concealer and basically cutting my crease with it, and then gonna go on top of that with some blood sugar, which, like I said, the reds on this palette, they look so similar. Even though this is a shimmer shade. Is that the word? Shimmer? I don't know. So y'all are basically gonna know what I mean once I put this all over my lid. It basically takes away the whole cut crease and defeats the whole purpose of the cut crease, you know what I mean? It's still beautiful, it's just not what I was going for, but we're gonna go with it. So yeah, I basically put that all over my lid, and then I use sweetener in the inner corner, closer to the inner corner of my eye, just to brighten it up and make it have more contrast, because I love having contrast in between my shades and my colors, making it have depth, you know, something to make my eye pop.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here?
So now to further add depth and contrast, I'm going to be mixing Extraction and Coma and adding that to the outer corner of my eye, just to deepen up the outer corner and, like I said, make everything pop a little bit more, because these reds in this palette, they look so similar once they're blended next to each other. And but the good thing about this palette is, even though the reds look very similar, they don't only have reds, they have pinks, they have purples, they have browns, they have grays, they have your cool tones, your warm tones. So pretty much everything in a palette. It's a beautiful palette. Just for me, when you're using the reds, it's very hard to catch that contrast in between the colors, and I don't know. I mean, for me, like I said, I like for my colors to really have contrast in between them. That's just me.
Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here?
So here I'm taking my favorite eyeliner, my only eyeliner, and it's the Kat Von D. I honestly love this liner so much. It stays on all day whenever I have my looks on. So yeah, I really like it. And it's so black. Like, I love the fact that it's so black. I don't even know how else to explain that. If y'all are eyeliner whores like me and y'all love eyeliner, then y'all know what I mean. And here we're just going to be taking root canal and blending it out under our eye. And this shade is a little bit more purple, but I honestly love the way it made my eyes pop more. And it just adds a little bit more contrast to the look, making your eyes stand out way more. Yeah, I really love this shade. And here I'm just going to be taking my Kat Von D lipsticks and going to be using the shade Vampira. I honestly love this lipstick so much. I really don't ever wear lipsticks. If y'all watched my previous videos, y'all know this. I'm more of a gloss person. But lately, I've been trying out lipsticks more and trying to get into them more comfortable basically. And with these shades of lipsticks, I was honestly so just in awe with how beautiful that it came out. But y'all know that I'm still a gloss person, so I went ahead and added some gloss on top of it. I used the UK Makeup Lip Gel, and y'all will just see how bomb and luscious my lips looked. They never looked that big and luscious, but they look so good. This is the finished look, you guys. If y'all recreate it, please tag me. I hope that everybody has a wonderful Valentine's. I want to wish y'all a happy Valentine's, and like I said, if y'all recreate this look, please tag me. Please make sure to comment and show some love on this video. I honestly put so much work and time into every single one of my videos, and I hope that it shows for y'all. But yeah, for me, it definitely does, because on this end, there's no stop. So with that being said, I want to say thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, Foxies.